Hello, everybody, and how are we doing today? Today I'm going to be sitting and talking to you about, one of the most important things ever in your field, whatever your field may be. But I'm here to talk about event management, right? I'm going to talk to you about Excel, or you might call it a spreadsheet, okay? Whether it is Microsoft Excel, or in Mac we call it numbers. Okay. Today the most popular is the Google Sheet. Google Sheets are absolutely amazing simply because of the sheer simplicity of sharing with people, groups, giving selective edit access, or just picking up data from one sheet and reflecting that data on another sheet, right? I'm sure most of you have used Google Sheets, right? But we must understand one thing, that the world we live in today is Excel. Okay, the whole world runs on it. Okay, let us talk about any data intensive critical industry, and all industries are data intensive. Let me tell you that. Okay, be it power grid management, be it finance, obviously international finance, local finance, right? You will require an Excel sheet. But for us, the most important is in event management. Okay, this is much bigger than you may have thought that it is. Okay, this entire usage of Excel or spreadsheets or Google Sheets, as you may call it. Okay, this is Excel is one of the greatest and the most powerful and the most important software application of all time. Just remember this. Okay, personally for me, life is Excel, and you better excel at Excel to become a good event manager. I'm going to repeat that. You better excel at Excel to become a great event manager. Let's take a few examples on a day-to-day event manager's role, right? The most basic cost sheet that you're going to make, it has to be on Excel, right? It's going to have the date, time, from time, to time, what is happening, okay, right? So you're going to make a rate, quantity, how many days, what is the material. All of this is in Excel, right? Let's look at the next step, which could be possibly an event flow, right? You're going to have a form time, a to time, and the flow of the event, right? Okay. It is a spreadsheet on which you are going to make an event flow. The simplest way to do that is because the changes that you make are going to be very quick as against making it on a DOC or a document, right? Okay. Let's look at the attendees that come for your event. Okay. It's on Excel. Okay. Name of attendee, serial number, mobile number, email ID, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Once you have the attendee list, what about the attendance of these attendees? That also has to be on Excel, right? Okay. What about the kind of tasks you're going to do an event? You have about 100 people, right, who are going to be working for you for this event, right? Every person is going to be getting a task assigned. How would you be able to know that you're not duplicating the task, right? Excel is going to help you over there. Okay? And for students of Team.i, when you finish an event and you make an event report, it better be on Excel, right? I'm telling you, people use Excel for writing letters also, okay? Apart from all their quotations and all of that. And once you have completed an event, right, you've completed everything in an event, you're going to raise an invoice. That invoice is but obviously on Excel. So please, people, hone your Excel skills. And if you want to be in the field of event management, it is going to be Excel all the way. I say, if people know Excel, okay, and one of the first questions that I ask everybody who comes in for an interview to Team.i, how well do you know Excel from a scale of 1 to 10? If somebody tells me 8, they are lying. Okay, so you have to understand that. How much ever well you know the Excel, it is a very deep ocean, and there are so many things that you can learn. Please go ahead, take some classes and learn Excel. Thank you on that, and please don't forget to do the needful, subscribe, follow, etc., etc. And I look forward to spending more time with you and talking to you about more things like this. But for today, it's Excel. Thank you.